Hopefully you enjoyed this quick video. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. You dig what I'm saying? Zak Tawks TV, SFA, checking in with the game, man. Appreciate all my new subscribers, man. We just hit 2 million channel views. We're headed to 10,000 subscribers, man. Appreciate all the continued support. Until next time, Zach Zeppelin, SFA.